how do you determine what is the best target or, as other words, exit price when buying a cryptocurrency? There's a lot of spammy uh, groups on Telegram. There's a billion people on social media that will tell you uh, whatever price they think that you should exit at or what your target price should be. And honestly, a lot of those Telegram groups and a lot of the people on social media, they either just want you to buy whatever cryptocurrency they're already holding, whether they want the price to go up or they want liquidity, or they will post projections, that is FUD, as the term goes. If you're not familiar with that term, brand spanking new to cryptocurrency. FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So there's sometimes people post uh, posts or charts making people want to sell cryptocurrency, and other times people post projections, and a lot of times the projections and the technical analysis that you see posted on social media and a lot of the websites out there are exaggerated to get you to do something. So a lot of times those aren't reliable. So how do you choose what a good uh, sell, take gain price would be? And another thing to point out is if you're going by the books and trading smart based on statistically what will make you the most money in the long run, sometimes you might sell and take gains and it might keep going up a little bit more, and that's when people get too greedy, and those trends, there's always a point where those trends don't continue, and that's how people often end up losing money. They'll keep chasing it, and then if it starts dipping, double down, double down, double down. But then if it keeps going down past their originally entry price and they're not using stop losses or anything, they'll end up losing money. And sometimes you can impulsively trade your entire balance or portfolio to zero if you don't have some self-control and if you aren't trading based on sound logic as well as sound mathematics in the crypto space. And you can follow some of the tutorials to make some technical analysis yourself, but really it is a science to get a very it's like an educated guess of sorts, but it's based on math, historical data from other cryptocurrencies, also common trade patterns, as well as some human nature, as well as some factors like trade volume and all sorts of factors that go into it. So really calculating what a good entry and good exit price is not something that a new crypto trader or even many advanced crypto traders can do repeatedly over and over in a way that makes them money in the long run. So how do people trade successfully? Well, what I use is a resource, and you can type into your browser protrade.tools to check it out for yourself. And on the back end there, when you log into the platform, it has a bunch of constantly updated panel of suggested entry, exit, and stop loss prices, as well as odds. And unlike a lot of the social media experts you'll see out there, and unlike a lot of the trade groups you'll see that may have biased projections, biased targets to make themselves money rather than to make you money, these ones are based on 150 different algorithms Maybe not all at once. I'm sure the founder, who's managed $150 million and to develop this system, I'm sure he probably figures out which algorithms make the most sense for each different cryptocurrency and adjusts it based on different market conditions and that sort of thing. But it uses many, many, many different variables to figure out exactly what statistically most likely your best bet for what price to take gains at would be. And if you have enough self-control to go buy those indicators and sell at those times, in the long run, you are most likely to make money using that sort of self-control and using mathematics, because a lot of the people, if not most of the people on the exchanges, don't know what they're doing, and they're trading emotionally. And when they're trading emotionally, they're making stupid trades. And when other people are making stupid trades, that makes money for people that are making smart trades. So this shows you how to make smart trades based on the most advanced mathematics, without even you having to understand what the most advanced mathematics are, which is what I love about it, because I don't know about you, I like making money and I don't like working. You like making money and not working? Awesome. Well, I think this is a good opportunity for everybody to join forces. Even if you have a few $1,000s, if you have $10,000 or more, $20,000 are great, because everybody together that use this platform, when everybody buys at the same time, it helps the trades that everyone is doing at the same time. And that is somewhat a similar concept to what some of the Telegram trade groups do, though a lot of them won't give you risk odds. A lot of them will give you a target but not a suggested stop loss or entry price and that sort of thing. And like I was saying before, a lot of those ones, that's not just giving you the raw data of what the suggested take profit price would be. A lot of those random fly-by-night groups are ones where the people running those groups are probably planning on selling before those targets are even hit. So they're just using you as a tool. You want to use tools to trade crypto with. You don't want to be the tool. Speaking of that, make sure you go into your browser and type in protrade.tools. It is it's good to use some resources, and it is also impossible for, at least for the average person, at least for me. I can speak for myself and say I damn sure don't understand. I don't fully understand even one of those algorithms, much less 150 of those algorithms. I do know they work, and I do know that their trades are hitting 65 to 75% of the time, and I know with trade fees factored in, you need just above 50% of your trades to be hitting to be making money in the long term. And if you can hit in that sweet spot of 65% plus of hitting trades, 60% plus even, then making money, and making money is good. We all like making money. I like making money. I'm guessing you like making money also. And if you trade crypto and you want to make money and not lose money, and you want to be prepared for even market shifts that are unpredictable, it's easy when the markets are doing the only up, as people say on social media, but that's not always how the markets are. And even on some of those moon cryptos, a lot of times you're better off like choosing an entry, exiting, taking gains, then checking the analysis again. If it's still looking good, enter again, take some gains, like that. That is a smart way to trade. It doesn't mean you're missing out on the moons. It means that you're doing it in a way where if there's sudden shifts, you're still protected. And it's trading smart, not trading harder. And in this case, we got somebody else doing the thinking for us, and he's using dozens and dozens of different algorithms based on the constantly updated market data and so many different variables. There's no way that we could all keep track of it without the computers. So it's really, honestly, a blessing from God, in my opinion, and I'm not even exaggerating. Click the link in the video description for some more information, and be sure to type in protrade.tools, not .com, .tools into your browser, and be sure to smack that like button and smack that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and drop a comment on my videos. The more videos that you drop a comment on, the better, because eventually I will be doing crypto giveaways on this channel. My name is Peter Galenko. A lot of people know me as XVG Whale, and I have given away randomly thousands of dollars of cryptocurrency to people over the years since I started making a social media presence in the cryptocurrency space in 2017. Got into crypto in 2015. And I'm making these videos, but I'm also doing my cryptocurrency mining LLC business. I got, within the next 2 hours, I have 2 different eBay auctions for Bitmain L3++s that are about to end. One is at $1,725 with $85 shipping, and then I got another one that I think is at like $1,350, and I put free shipping on that other one. I thought the other one with free shipping would go up more. Before, I was charging more for shipping. Anyway, long story short is I'm making money doing other stuff. And by the way, I bought those mining rigs for a lot less than what they're selling for now, so making some more cheddar. But I did make money off of this the TJ AI yesterday, which is why I'm honestly almost more excited about it than the cryptocurrency mining, because contrary to possibly first impression, cryptocurrency mining is a lot of work. I'm more doing the retail wholesale type of sales right now for Cryptocurrency Mining LLC. I'm sole proprietor of it, and with retail and stuff, there's customer support, blah, blah, blah. But even if you're doing your own mining facility, the markets fluctuate, which affects the profitability. And then also those things are a lot of maintenance, even new from the factory. All the different hash boards, there's so many different settings to run them on, and there's all sorts of different types of technical issues you may have to trouble support. I'm not going to get into it in this video, but having something that's really reliable, like what I'm talking about, this program that Nicola innovated, is something that I'm very grateful for, and I am proud to be a part of and put my name next to, because it is something that I'm sure not only will help me, but it will help a lot of new traders to the space, and people that it doesn't even matter if you, like, there's 9 different hedge funds using this. So no matter how much trade experience that you have, having extra resources, there's no way to keep track of everything, all the numbers, all the data, all the time. So whatever more information that you can reference, the better. So even people that are managing $10 million, this is a great resource that they might want to have in their repertoire of references to reference. And then if you're starting out with $10,000, putting that 300, whatever the price might be at the current time, the price might go up eventually, into that, of that 10,000 is worth it, because just one trade where you get the exit target price wrong, or get the stop loss not calculated right, when you could have had a more well-refined calculation, you could lose easily $300 or more off of one trade. So why not have this type of reference where you could use something that's calculated based on math, based on somebody that knows what they're doing, and not going into it blindly, and not just going based on whatever people are chirping on Twitter or whatever trade group on Telegram that you're not really sure whether you should trust or not, that sort of thing. This is smarter, and once in a while some people out there will have some trade signals that they post publicly that are hitting, and they might be on a roll, but sometimes that doesn't last. And this is a program that I really have faith in, that it's because it's constantly updated and based on so many different pillars of mathematics. I really think that it's something that's way more reliable than honestly anything that I can think of out there to refine an existing day trader, or get someone even with little to no experience day trading profitably for the long run. So thank you for watching this video. Hit that like button and have a wonderful day. Yeah.